What is the growth potential of the artificial disc market? Well, it's really clear it's expanding massively. The artificial disc market, just with one company, has increased 66% in the last month compared to the January of the prior year. Overall sales, year after year, up 56%. Isn't this obvious? Who wants to be fused? Remember in the old days, if you had an arthritic hip or knee, back in the 1950s, they fused it until Robert Charnley invented the total hip replacement in 1958. And then you could move your leg and be out of pain. The same applies to the spine. Artificial disc replacement allows you to keep motion, reduce your pain. That market will continue to expand and the growth potential is massive.